Sinasabi na halos judge na kayo. Paano naman nangyari nagkaroon ng judicial powers?
Yun po yung binigay sa atin na options ng batas, 9851, Section 17 po. Palagay
ko hindi tama yun kasi Attorney Medina, talaga bang DOJ was vested by the Constitution with judicial power? Kailan naman po nangyari yun? Sa bahagi ng ating saligang batas naging huwes ang ating DOJ?
Wala kaming claim to judicial power. Dito po, executive action po ang aming ginawa. In accordance with Section 17.
Pero hindi nga po
Article
alien
9851.
Hindi nga pwedeng isurrender kasi hindi nga alien. Pilipino man siya.
Hindi ho. Malinaw. Gusto basahin ko ulit for the record. Para
alam na natin yun.
Kasi
baka si Attorney
baka minsan baka nalilimutan natin yung mga nasa saklaw ng batas eh. Papasahin ko po muli.
Hindi. Alam ko na yun. Oo. Yes, please, Attorney Medina, may idadagdag kayo. Hindi ba yung Constitution, wala naman judicial power? Kaya pinagpipilitan natin na bumalik sa korte.
I'll be consistent with my previous opinion, Your Honor. The right to liberty can only be, the deprivation of the right to liberty can only be judged by a court of law. Now, even assuming that executive officials would have the power to make a final adjudication on the right to liberty of an individual, at the very least, that individual whose right to liberty is at risk should still be accorded administrative due process at the very least, which means still notice, opportunity to be heard, and a decision by an impartial tribunal. So the fusion, what the Constitution wants to prevent is the fusion of executive and judicial power in the hands of one person. One American constitutional expert declared that as a form of tyranny. So I'm not casting aspersion on the actions of the executive officials involved. I'm sure they consider the legality, and I'm sure they're willing to present clear legal basis for their actions. It's a matter for the courts to settle po. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat, Attorney. Ang tinutukoy ko, SOJ Remulla, etong sinabi ni ASEC Nico Clavano, March 13, sinabi niya the Justice Department and the prosecutors can be considered competent judicial authority. Hindi po kayo nagsabi nito, kundi prosecutors were present during the service of the warrant and somehow they magically turned into the judiciary.